Hey folks, it's Sheldon with TigerTough here. Right now I'm going to show you how to put a set of seat covers on a National Air Ride seat. This seat, you'll see in a minute, has got dual armrests, but this process is the same whether your seat has got two, one, or no armrests at all. So we'll start with the bottom, and up in the front of the seat there's a little plastic or metal handle. You just lift up and forward on that and it'll slide the seat bottom forward, and then you can flip the seat bottom up, which we'll need to do. So we're going to start by just putting the bottom cover on, just so it fits over the seat, like that. Now we'll flip the bottom up, and I'm going to run that long flap from the front up underneath the seat here. Okay, now when you run the cover up between the seat bottom and the frame, you're going to want to make sure that that handle that you pulled on before is sticking through the hole in the cover, and that you are over top of this handle for sliding the seat back and forth. So now we'll take the two strings we've got here on both sides and just pull them tight. Now the tighter you pull these, the better your cover is going to fit. So don't be shy, just get them good and snug. Then we'll use the string lock to fasten both the strings together. So to do that, I'm just going to run the string in one end and back out like that, and then lock it in place. And we'll do the same on the other side. And again, make sure everything is nice and snug. There we go. Now with this extra string, you can cut it off. I usually just tuck it up underneath the string lock here, and then the seat cover flap will hold it in place. So I'm going to pull this top here tight, so that way everything is nice and smooth on the seat bottom. Hold that in place, and we'll pull this from the front and hook the Velcro together, just like that. That's the bottom done. Okay, to do the back, I like to slide the seat ahead just so I can get in there. So you just grab the lever to slide the seat and push it forward. That gives you some room back in there behind it. Now you're going to want to turn the cover most of the way inside out before you ever put it on the seat back. This one here has got, I've already undone them, but it's got two holes for the armrests. Depending on how your seat configuration is, you may have two, one, or no holes like that. But if you do have them, undo the Velcro. Alright, I've got this cover most of the way inside out, and now I'll pull it over the seat back. And you want to make sure that the TigerTough tag is facing the door. Otherwise, you'll be putting the cover on backwards and you'll have a lot of problems. And you'll just want to keep working it down, pulling the front, pulling the back, wiggle it around until you can get these flaps down to clear the armrests. Sometimes it helps if you can wiggle the armrest a bit to get it worked around there. And then you just do up these two flaps here. Like so. Now I'm going to do that on the other side as well. Okay, that's both armrest flaps done up. Now this here is going to run between the back and the bottom of the seat, and we'll fasten it on the back. There we go. Alright, last up is the armrest covers. So I got the armrest cover here. You're going to want to make it so that this big hole right here is pointing in towards the seat. And like the back, you're going to want to turn it most of the way inside out before you start putting it on. Alright, so cover is a good portion of the way inside out. Now let's slide it on. Just like so. And then we just slide it down the armrest like that. Now I'm going to do this on the other side, and then we'll be finished.